Hi, this is Tim Blanchip, owner of SCV Legal Doc Assist. We're a licensed and bonded legal document preparation service specializing in divorce. And this is part 3 of how to complete the form FL-100 divorce petition. These are videos brought to you by the Contra Costa court website showing you how to complete California Judicial Council forms. I'm putting these on my YouTube channel because of the difficulty in locating them. And it does make it very simple if you're looking to represent yourself and fill out all your forms to go step by step using the PowerPoint presentation of the court. If you ever want a professional company to prepare your forms for you, of course, you can always give us a call or visit our website for more information. So without further ado, here is part 3.
Item 3 is where you tell the court about minor children you have with your spouse. Minors are children who are under 18 years old. Include minor children you have with your spouse who were born before or during your marriage. Do not include children from another relationship, unless your spouse legally adopted them. If you do not have any minor children with your spouse, check box 3A and go to item 4. Check box 3B if you do have minor children with your spouse, and list each child by name, birth date, current age, and write whether the child is male or female. If you need more space to list the minor children you have with your spouse, check the box Continued on attachment 3B. You can use form MC 025 or a blank sheet of paper to create attachment 3B. If you use a blank sheet of paper, write your name and your spouse's name at the top, then write attachment 3B. And then write down the name, birth date, and sex of your other children. Item 3C says that if you have any minor children with your spouse, you must complete form FL-100, the Declaration under Uniform Child Custody Jurisdiction and Enforcement Act, and attach it to the petition. For help completing that form, ask your court's family law facilitator. If any of the minor children you have with your spouse was born before you were married, and the father signed a voluntary declaration of paternity, check box 3D and attach a copy of that document to your petition. If this is your situation and you're not sure what a declaration of paternity is, talk to a lawyer or your court's family law facilitator.
Items 4 and 5 deal with your property and your debts. The information you write here is very important, and the judge will use it to make decisions about how to divide your property. Before completing items 4 and 5, review the pages on this website that explain separate and community property. Or talk to a lawyer or family law facilitator so that you understand your rights and your responsibilities when it comes to your property and your spouse's property. Item 4 is where you tell the court about your separate property. Here, you can make a general statement about your separate property. If you have specific property that you believe is your separate property, and you want the court to say it is, you can make a detailed list of assets. Do the same thing for your debts too. If you want to be specific and you can fit the entire list of separate property, assets, and debts in the space provided, check the box below item 4. List each asset and debt under the item column. Write petitioner next to each item that you claim is yours. If there is property or debt that you believe is your spouse's, you can also list it here and write respondent next to those items.
Okay, this has been Tim Blanchip, owner of SCV Legal Doc Assist, bringing you the Contra Costa PowerPoint presentation on how to complete your divorce petition FL-100. This has been part 3. You can go back to part 1 if you've missed that, or continue on to part 4 of how to complete the divorce petition FL-100 PowerPoint presentation. Thanks for watching.